human resource. So at the level of the human resource, you manage your employees here. You assign designations, and you use this other button to add or edit the employees. So if we go to manage designation here, you define the different designations in your school. You can call it like director, principal, security guard, uh, teacher. Those are designations, and you can add. Okay. So designation can still be, you can still call it accountant. Accountant is still designation. So he's not a principal. So you just take disable that, it takes submit. That is the accountant. It's a designation. So we'll go back to our dashboard. We have added that designation. We'll go back, we'll take that manage employee. With manage employee, we add and we edit employees. So we have just one employee here, is a person who is actually connected. So we use the add button here. If we use the add button, you just fit in the name of the employee in here. Every other information you can always edit, and you feed them in with time. So just the basic ones are selected. So everything you see in red, it means it is mandatory, it is required, you have to fill. But to make things faster, we've just fitted in some random information, random data, so that with just a click you can create an employee. Unless you want to fit in their phone numbers at once, you can change it. So once you put in the name of that employee, might be John. Here at the level of designation, if he is the security guard, you put it the security guard, and their username and passwords are automatically generated here. You can see modify and put yours. The salary grades, you can choose any for now. At the level of the accounting model, will explain to you how to manage salary grades, salary type, and the rest. So you just choose anything for now. The role here, you are assigning this person as, who is he? Is it the staff, security guard? Depending on your roles that you have created, you can put a staff there. It's a staff. So every other thing here, these are for website purposes. We are not on the website. If you want it to be to appear on the school's websites, we have our integrated websites. So it's not relevant for now. So let me explain some other things as well. If this happens to be, might be an accountant or the director of a school, if we take access all section, if we change to yes, it means they will have access, they will be able to see the information of all the sections. Maybe we can have secondary sections, primary section, nursery section. We have some schools that they have directors for each section. Maybe you have a director who manages just the primary, the director who manages just the secondary, and the one who manages the high school. So by default, it is no. This person has no access to the section. So if at all maybe you are creating another employee, normally by default this one will be no. If that employee is not a director of a school, or might be that employee is a director of a specific section, might be the primary section only, you will scroll down here, you would have to select the section that this employee is assigned to, so that he will have access to all the students and teachers who belong to this section. If nothing is selected like this, if nothing is selected, even if this person is the director of a section, he will not have access to the students under this section, nor the classes. Even the teachers who belong to this section, he will not be able to see them. So this is used to assign a person to a specific section as a director of that section. Or if you want to give access to all sections, you change this to yes. So once that is done, you just take submit and your employee will be created. So you are going to see a second employee in the list of employees that you see here at the level of human resources in here.